YouTube? Welcome back to Beamer Fam. You guys join us inside my BMW M4 G82. And today we're gonna be linking up with a nice group of cars and heading down to a big Cars and Coffee event down in OC. We got a V10, a straight pipe flat 6, and some more engines we're gonna be getting it cracking with on the way. But before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is simply carbon fiber. I think it's safe to say at this point, the colored twill traditional carbon fiber phone cases is my favorite phone cases I've ever owned. They have different colors, blue, green, yellow, red. They also have these cases in forged carbon fiber and other materials. They're nice and lightweight. They're also heat resistant since it is real carbon fiber, but they're also known for their other real and genuine carbon fiber accessories like travel suitcases, watches, phone cases, money clips, wallets, and more. So if you guys are interested in getting your loved one some simply carbon fiber accessories, go ahead and click the links in the description. Use the code BF10 for 10% off. And with that being said, let's go ahead and continue on with today's POV drive. Wow, look at the views of Los Angeles this morning. The sun is rising, the cars are sounding good, they're actually already warmed up. And this is a moment. Cruising with the car guys for Cars and Coffee on the weekend is amazing. Look at the F82 M4, it's so clean. What a great group of cars. We got Audi, Porsche, 2 BMW M cars. All of them have exhaust. It's crazy. Look at that car go. I need me one of those in a stick too with that same exhaust setup, and my life is set. Don't need anything more than that. F82 is nice. I love that color. It's actually a Lamborghini color on that F82. My goodness. The soundtrack this morning, man, it's hard to beat. You got V10s, you got flat 6 with the GT3, you got the inline 6 S58, S55. The only thing we're missing is some kind of V8 in this convoy, and we're set.
I literally didn't even see him. Man, hopefully he doesn't get a ticket. Literally just did in front of him.
Might be cooked, I don't know. Hopefully they let him go though.
He just did a pull right in front of him. Like, he didn't come out of nowhere, bro, because I didn't even see him. Like, I don't even know where he came from.
We got the M4 parked up, looking good once again. But unfortunately, our boy in the GT3, Josh, he got pulled over as he was doing a pull. Cop went flying up on us, and yeah, hopefully we're gonna see him here at this event, but he was cooking when he got pulled over, so hopefully nothing bad happened. So you can see we caught up with the F82 M4 we were riding with, and apparently old boy did get hit with the ticket. I'm not gonna say the speed, but he was cooking, like I said. It's very unfortunate. So we're gonna see if we can meet up with him, kind of see what happened. The main event is at this nice market. As you walk inside, you can see they're getting ready. Got coffee going. They have this nice Porsche inside too. It's like this is some kind of build. Looks pretty cool. Always nice to see cars inside coffee shops. We like that a lot here on this channel. Now this car is super nice. R34 V-Spec 2 on the GTR. That's crazy. Right-hand drive. Now, I love these cars in this kind of gloss, almost like Alpine white. This is Damien's car. It looks absolutely sick. We've seen it maybe once before on the channel, but it features Vorsteiner's brand new front end. Got the hood on there. It's all carbon fiber. I like the lip on there too. But he also added these new BBS wheels. And in this color, signal green is also a Porsche color, just like my car, except this one is painted individual. And you see the wing is kind of like the more traditional stand-up style wing as opposed to the Swan. I like the diffuser he added on there as well. And all in all, man, the rear end on this car looks amazing. It is nice that he's parked up next to an SLS AMG on HREs. This is the gold wing as well. It's kind of got like this frozen PPF on it. Looks really good. I just love these cars. One of my favorite cars of all time for sure. This is nice too. So it's like a cup car, a legitimate race car from Porsche, man. This thing is beautiful. Still got all the carbon fiber over here. GT2 RS Club Sport. I don't think I've ever seen these in person. The whole bumper is painted carbon fiber. Brake light. Oh man, this car is absolutely amazing. Got the JDM crew pulling in. Super over there. Look at the R34, bro. Bayside blue out there too. I ain't gonna lie, it's a super clean NSX right there. I like the yellow on it. You don't really see them in that color. A super clean spec on it. It's lowered to the ground. The color green on it is very unique. Chrome wheels too, orange accents. It's very nice. Look at the fitment back there too. You gotta take, dude, I love this car, man. It just sounds so good. Super clean. It's a little like OEM Plus. Damn, I got to take it on the seat. Damn. But he made it though, safe and sound. One ticket added on to the seat, but you know, this G80 M3 has extensive mods done to it. It's got a satin blue wrap, carbon hood. Look at the fenders are carbon too. You see Nick's car right there. A few clean M cars as well, an M2, F82 M4. Damn, look at the Lotus Emir. I love how these cars look, especially in that yellow color. It's nice. And I have not seen this hood before. If you guys have seen this hood, let me know which one it is. I've been seeing a lot more parts come out for the G80s now, and it's crazy because there's so many parts to choose from as is, and they're still making different designs for these cars. It's a Lamb F80 M3, white interior with the comp seats, chrome wheels. I like the spec on this one a lot. And this R34 GTR, we saw a bone stock one, and now we can see a clean modified one. BBS wheels, it's got hood done to it. It's still right-hand drive. British Columbia plates. But look at this, an E46 M3. Looks like it's been fully restored, fully redone. Has a hood. The bumper's even different. It's got a different design down there too. I really like it. They kind of base it off of the factory car, which is really cool. Even these little side badges are nice. The material they use is like OEM. That is very nice. Interior-wise, got some carbon bucket seats. It is an SMG, but nonetheless, very beautiful car. And I love the color. If you guys know the name of this color, definitely let me know. The M Coupe. I think this is a Storal Blue. Makes me miss our M Roadster back in Michigan. See the interior is the blue setups, the 5-speed. It's got an exhaust on there too. Eisenman. They also blessed the M4 by parking the McLaren Senna right in front of it. The sun's coming this way. Just look at those seats. That is crazy. Carbon hood, splitter, even around the headlight housing, full carbon. Super nice G82 M4 that kind of went under the radar. It's kind of this wildberry purple metallic, carbon grills, carbon lit slammed as well, HRE wheels, and it also has a roll cage. It's properly done. And we have an E46 M3 that's like pretty much stock, and then a pretty much stock E39 M5. And whenever I see these cars, it just reminds me of my old Blue Water one. I miss that car so much. A little regret with selling it, but it did have a lot of rust. but I'm definitely gonna pick another one up. And I think I'm seeing double here. This is another Bayside Blue R34 GTR V-Spec. And this one is super clean. I mean, the other one was clean too. But look at the engine bay. Whole bunch of Nismo parts. I mean, this is crazy. Look at the air intake on that too. Just crazy how they just slam all these cars together. And man, wow, what is this? It's like a frozen Brooklyn gray, bucket seats G80. You got GT3s for days, white on whites. We've recently seen this car too. It's almost like Miami blue or Tiffany blue with the white wheels, yellow accents, the big wing on it as well. Damn, I think this is a GT2 RS. And then we can see Eric Carbontastic brought his yellow GT3 RS. Looks super good. He's added new wheels to the car too. This McLaren is crazy. It's got Rohana plates, so maybe the owner of Rohana. If you think about the livery, it's like a Golf livery on it. I think it looks really cool. It's definitely unique and different. But then tucked under everybody's nose is nice Carrera GT right here, some manual V10, high revving car. We actually had a ride in this car. Just look at that V10 sitting back there with the wing up too. You can see all the original carbon fiber down there. I miss when cars were designed like this and look this good. This is a bone stock car. You don't need to do anything to them. And it just looks so cool. This booth over here knows exactly what's good. They got a Liberty Walk wide body GTR, which is going crazy. Bucket seats, got a 488 Ferrari with the Marlboro livery. I'm really interested in are these 3M cars that are parked right here. It's like a track spec on the M2, carbon hoods. It's even got air intakes that have been cut out for the front bumper, which looks crazy. I'm sure this thing rips on the track. This is just different. This is clean, chromed out wheels. It's a purple color. It's got this hood on it. It's also got the agile front end with the carbon grills. I think it's crazy this roll cage is chrome matched to the wheels, and the spec on this is banging with the purple paint too. Competition, it's got a nice diffuser, titanium exhaust. And then this right here, man, it's a wide body M2. I'm not sure what kit this is. You guys have to let me know, but the wing is crazy. It's also got like an M-Performance style exhaust down low. Interior purple roll cage, detachable steering wheel, and it is a manual. The spec on this is crazy, especially with those BBS wheels. You can see the spoiler and the whole trunk itself is carbon fiber. The bone stock look, or you taking a spec like this, and you can see it parked next to an R35 GTR. It's kind of like the similar blue to the Bayside Blue, but I mean, shoot, I mean, if we look around this right now, the cars here are just so diverse. You got NSX, you got E36s over there, some Porsches. You know, I always wonder what it's like to come to these events, but just as a regular civilian who's just getting groceries or getting some in and out, and you come across this randomly, it's gotta be crazy. Hey, what up?
Bro.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, bro.
Yep, cars looking good.
Yes, sir. What about you, bro? Good?
Yep, all good.
I'll see you around, bro.
For sure. I think we're gonna go ahead and kick it at this meet, maybe find some coffee and some food, chill for a bit, then we're gonna get the boys together, hop back on the road, get back inside M4. As you guys can see, we are back on the road and we're actually heading to another event. And this one's going to involve a lot of V12. So apparently this is going to be a V12 only drive with a few exceptions to like me and Nick. But we're going to be able to capture some really cool cars on the road. And we're already riding with a couple Porsches, a 488 Pista, and my car right now to link up with the rest of the crew. So we've got only like a 15-minute drive or so. So let's enjoy it. Got the guy recording out the Prius. Oh, we're sounding good today. Love the silver on that GT3. And this one right here is like a dark blue. I don't think I saw this one at the event. That looks good. HRE wheels on it. Nice wing. Very nice car. What a soundtrack. Everything I see in front of me are V12 Lamborghinis. Oh